bright. Open your hearts, tonight's the night. We dream as one to see you soon, our beautiful, hopeful Ramadan moon. There is a man who has come from afar to share a tale that is told in the stars. From Cairo to Damascus, you have heard his sound. He has seen the world and traveled around. His tale is special. So children, please listen. Of the night that the light of our moon went missing. How, you may wonder, could the moon lose its light? Well, let us go back to that fateful night.
My legs have gone crazy. I'm so delighted.
If you're not careful, you'll fall on your face.
My heart feels like bursting all over the place.
Rashid, calm down. Wait for me. You've got to travel more carefully.
But my first Ramadan is about to begin.
Ouch, Rashid. You kicked me in the shin.
Sorry.
It's okay. You've got to stay calm. Even if this is your first Ramadan.
I'm nervous.
I know, but you've got to try. Soon the crescent moon will grace the sky. I'm right here and I'll fast too, because all of us believe in you.
Oh wow, this is colossal. I nearly forgot.
We're here in Wasl. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Marhaba.
Ramadan Kareem.
Ramadan Kareem. It's so lovely to see you. Welcome, one and all.
Ramadan Kareem. Hi. Hello. Marhaba.
Rashid.
Sorry, Samhuri, I got carried away just now. It's my first Ramadan, and I'm really nervous. Not sure I'll be able to do the fast.
Siyam? Of course you'll do the fast.
Not eating or drinking from sun up to sun down? That sounds really hard.
Come on, Rashid. Ramadan is about so much more than just thinking about food.
Mean like all the games and presents we got on Eid? What was that?
Could it be? It's got to be the moon.
Hello?
Where's the moon?
Has it come and gone so soon? All that anticipation?
There must be an explanation.
I was so full of hope.
Never fear. I have my telescope.
What do you see? What do you see?
I need to adjust. There's an airplane. And that's a bird. But no moon. Hang on. What's that? It's something bright. All dressed in white. It's moving slow. Hello? Hello? Oh, are you all right? Did you hurt yourself?
Hurt myself? Hurt myself? Please don't make it laugh! I may seem old, but my spirit is grand. My back may be bent, but my legs still stand. Now, hold your applause, everyone please, because I am the amazing Emirati! Mr. What?
Mr. Who?
Excuse me, my children. You must not have heard me. I said, I am the amazing Emirati! Oh, I know. Is that something you can eat? Silence! Perhaps it's time for a story. A long time ago, when I was young, I always used to drum my drum. I used to love that drum. It was so much fun. But it wasn't quite for everyone. They plugged their ears and were close to tears when they heard that rap-a-bum-ton. Until one day my dad did say, I have a job for you, my son. This Ramadan, before the sun comes up, I want you to drum your drum. And when the people rise and eat their meal to you, they will surely run. Because their fasting lasts and their prayers did fast. All thanks to you, my son. now I travel the land like a one-man band, spreading my rhythmic joy and fun!
Wait, so that drum of yours, was that you playing it before?
Yes! Well, I don't mean to brag.
Oh, so it's your job to wake people up for suhoor. That's incredible!
I guess I am incredible, aren't I?
Calling us to wake before the sun? But then the crescent moon didn't come!
And if the crescent moon doesn't come, how can I begin my first Ramadan?
Perhaps you'd like to know why our lunar friend is not in the sky?
Why?
Because the spirit of Ramadan has been lost.
The spirit of Ramadan has been lost.
Yes, and at a monumental cost. You see, the issue is with people today always playing carrot, forgetting to pray, only thinking about your sweets and toys. When Ramadan is about much more subtle joys.
Hey, that's not fair!
Not only us playing Kerala,
Well, perhaps if you join me, you'll see the truth. We'll go on a journey for the whole world's youth.
the journey of truth. But where would we start?
It always begins with opening your heart. I'll take us to a place that's far away, where the world's distractions are kept at bay, where the values of faith are pure and strong, and we can learn the true spirit of Ramadan. From the first sighting of that sliver of silver, Muslims of every nation join in celebration. And each night the moon grows fuller till it is full, and for the entire month our heartstrings it does pull. And we reflect and be mindful while we fast, promising to be sharing and caring, because it's charity that truly must last.
Charity? You mean collecting money for those in need?
Zakat al-Fitr, so poor families can feed.
Yes, indeed.
Then that's what I'll do. I'll be sharing and caring if that's what it takes for the moon to come. I'll be Mr. Charitable. Now where's that drum?
Here, Rashid, let me have a go.
Ah, maybe the moon only hears when Mr. Emirati plays.
Even if that's true, which it is because my drumming sings to the moon's rays, I don't think it'll shine. Not yet, anyway.
But at least try.
For all the boys.
Please bring the moon into the sky.
Play the drum, please. Come on, everyone. Get Mr. Emirati to play the drum.
Silence! Very well. I shall try.
There's still no moon.
You haven't journeyed deep enough into the heart of Ramadan to make the moon shine.
But if you promise to be more charitable,
More sharing and caring. You said it would be fine.
But what about reflection and self-restraint? And that's not just about fasting without any complaint. It's about your actions and the things you say. It's being polite all through the day. It's helping others where you can. It's making peace with your fellow man.
We'll be polite and do more for
and
others.
we'll try not to fight with our sisters and brothers.
And we'll help old granddad when he crosses the street.
And old grandma with her sword bat sit in her seat.
This is wonderful. This sounds grand. Giving your aunts and uncles and cousins a hand. It's about family and your neighbors too. It's about those you love who believe in you. When I was a boy, our family would pray, vowing as one before the break of day.
Pray more, share more, give more.
Yes, that's right.
Respect more, care more, love more.
And then somewhere in those last 10 days, Laylatul Qadr, the night of destiny. A raining of blessings, a shower of mercy, And beyond our homes, the spirit threads as neighbors share meals and community spreads. Exchanging meals, all of us together, sharing our blessings forever and ever.
Because at its heart, Ramadan's true.
It's about coming together. Me and you. All of us together. The whole community.
Side by side in loving unity.
You've come such a long way in such a short time. You've grown, my children, and so has your rhyme. You're still not quite as good as me, but maybe one day we will see. As the sun beckons, I must go. Before the new moon starts to glow, I'll play my drum one last time, and our moon will surely shine.
Wait, Mr. Harati, please don't go. Stay with us to the end of the show.
Don't walk alone across the land. Join our celebration. Take my hand. All of us, we're community. All of us, one in harmonious unity.
Come one, come all, across the land. Sha'ban is ending.
Let's join hands. We dream as one to see you soon. Our beautiful, hopeful Ramadan moon. Look, dear friends, the sky's so bright. Open your hearts, tonight's the night.
goodbye. For when you think of me, simply look to the sky. And if your actions are pure, you will find my light, shining for all on a Ramadan night.